Okay, here is the first order stationary process, and the next one is second order stationary process. Random process is said to be second order stationary if its second order distribution and density functions do not change with shift in time. Here for first order it is like f of x1 comma t1 x1 of x1 colon t1 plus tau. For second order x1 comma x2 colon t1 comma t2. The major difference is for second order we have to take two values or two variables at two different time functions. So x1 is same at t1 and t1 plus 2. x2 is same at t2 and t2 plus 2. Then it is called second order stationary process. Second order stationary process. Right? This is the basic definition of stationary random process. One is fixed and stationary. A random process is said to be fixed and stationary process if its nth order density function do not change with time. Nth order distribution and density function do not change with time. Nth order. Nth order means sixteenth means throughout the random process, the parameter should be constant. Then it is called sixteenth stationary process. Sixteenth stationary process. Right? Next one is wide sense stationary process. Wide sense stationary process. Now, go through the syllabus. Here is the syllabus. Random process, classification of process, deterministic and non-deterministic process, distribution and density functions, concept of stationarity, and statistical independence, first order stationary process, second order and wide sense stationary process, nth order and sixth sense stationary. Right? If you observe the whole syllabus, up to here there are only definitions only. Only definitions. In our last two classes we are discussing basic concepts of random process. These all are basic definitions of random process. The remaining topics: autocorrelation function properties, cross correlation function properties. There are major covariance and properties. Right? These all are three major topics here. And also time evaluation and recording. Four topics. Four topics here. Okay, right. That means why I am saying all this is fourth and fifth units are very important in previous SEM exam point of view. Only basic definitions are there. Only basic definitions. Okay. What is a random process? Tell me. Random process concept. What is the purpose of random process and what is the definition of random process? What is random process? Anyone?
The process whose output cannot be estimated.
A process cannot be estimated. Okay. Which is called okay. What I said was definition of random process means assigning time functions to the outcome of a random variable. Assigning time functions to the outcomes of a random variable or random experiment. It's called random process. Okay. And also we cannot estimate the output. This is called non-deterministic random process. Non-deterministic random process lo vastundi. The basic definition of random process is for each outcome of a random variable or for each outcome of a random experiment, for us we have to assign a time function, then it becomes a random process. Random variable as a function of time is called a random process. This is also another definition. Random variable as a function of time is also called as random process. Random process. Define random process with an example. These are asked for a short answer question. Next one is classification of random process. Classification of random process. Anyone? Classification of process. In how many ways we can classify the random process? Amma?
Four ways, sir.
Four ways, mainly continuous random process, discrete random process, and continuous random sequence, discrete random sequence. We discussed with examples and graphs the basic definition. The classification of random process. Next one is deterministic and non-deterministic process. Next one is deterministic and non-deterministic process. What is deterministic and non-deterministic process?
Value of a function of time can be predicted and deterministic process.
Okay,
Cannot be predicted అంటే non-deterministic.
non-deterministic process. సేమ్ అదేంటంటే మనం స్టార్టింగ్ ప్రాబిలిటీ చెప్పుకున్నప్పుడు ర్యాండమ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ అదే డెటర్మినిస్టిక్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ నాన్ డెటర్మినిస్టిక్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ అని టెస్ట్ వచ్చేసింది. సేమ్ అదే డెఫినేషన్ దీనికి కూడా. కాకపోతే అక్కడ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ చెప్తే ప్రాసెస్ యూజ్ చేసి చెప్తాం. డెటర్మినిస్టిక్ ప్రాసెస్ అంటే ద అవుట్పుట్ కెనాట్ బి ప్రిడిక్టెడ్ ప్రేయర్ టు ద కండక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ అనేది ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్ ర్యాండమ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్లో వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడైతే కదా యూ కెనాట్ ఎస్టిమేట్ ద అవుట్పుట్ అని. Which is called deterministic and non-deterministic. Next one is distribution and density function. Distribution function and density function both are similar to random variables, right? Our distribution function is nothing but capital F of x comma t equal to is nothing but the distribution function small f of x comma t is nothing but density function. The derivative of distribution function is nothing but the density function. These are the simple formulas. Next one is stationarity. What is stationarity? What is stationarity? Stationarity.
In which mean and variance does not change with time.
Okay, very good. The parameters of a random process does not change with time, or the characteristics or parameters are constant throughout the random process. This is called stationarity. Stationarity, there are different types. It allows statistical independence. Statistical independence means f of x comma y equal to f of x and f of y. This is independence random variable. Here also the same formula. Next one is first order stationary process. First order stationary process. That means the stationary process is nothing but f of x, x1 comma x2 and so on, x suffix n colon t1 comma t2 and so on, t suffix n is equal to at t1 plus tau, t2 plus tau, and so on, tn plus tau. then it is called a stationary random process. First order means we will take only one time function, then it is called first order. If we take two time functions, then it is called second order stationary. The nth order means if you take n time functions, then it is called nth order stationary process. Right? Here we have to discuss Whiteson stationary process. This is very important, very important topic. Whiteson stationary. We not yet discussed till now. It will be discussed later. Why I'm saying I'm explaining the syllabus means if you go through the syllabus, then only you can know the simplicity of this unit. Okay, up to this there are only definitions. Only definition. I will share the PDF there. The remaining these all are. If you remember correlation, anyone remember correlation? In multiple random variable operations and multiple random variables, correlation is there. We define it as EFXY. EFXY. There are also a correlation function, and also covariance also will land there for multiple random variables. This is very easy topic. Now we will see the previous papers. How we ask the previous papers questions. It's an examination. You see there what it is. Define. Anyone read it? Anyone read this? Define.
Strict sense station.
Define strict sense stationary for 2 marks. Just now we have discussed this definition. Define strict sense stationary for 2 marks. Okay. The direct question. Coming to see there. Write the properties of autocorrelation function. Properties of autocorrelation function of random process. This is given for 7 marks here. This is given for 7 marks here. Right? Autocorrelation function properties is the question. The next one is WSS process means wide sense stationary process. We not yet discussed this topic. This is asked for 14 marks. This is directly theory question. Properties of autocorrelation function. Right? This was asked for first set. First set. Look at this. What is this? Anyone read it? Read this. Determine, define.
Deterministic or non-deterministic process.
Process with
Example.
Already మీరు చెప్పింది ఇదే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 3 మార్క్స్ అడిగాడు షార్ట్ సింపుల్ డెఫినేషన్ అడిగాడు అంటే మీరు జస్ట్ నోట్స్ చదువు నోట్స్ ఉన్నవే అవన్నీ నోట్స్ ఉన్నవే
Yes, sir.
You see this? In first set, he asked about write the properties of autocorrelation function, right? In second set, he is asked about write the properties of cross correlation function. Cross correlation function, autocorrelation function. There are 2 major topics I already said. They asked about this question. That's the problem about find the cross correlation function. R suffix x. The same problem we discussed in the class. Same problem. Is directly asked in the examination. Okay. This is for second set. He asked for. Coming to third set, just about define mean ergodic process. Next one, the time average and ergodicity is the next topic. He asked a short answer question about mean ergodic process. This is a 2 lines definition there. Get mean ergodic process. If you go through material in the previous questions, the questions all are the material given by me. Okay. Next one is next problem is also about wide sense stationary process. About wide sense stationary process. This is also for ergodic process, right? These questions asked in third set. Coming to fourth set, one short answer is define wide sense stationary is the short answer question. Define wide sense stationary is the short answer. You see this? What he asked, explain the following. Wide sense stationary asked on the same set for 2 marks and 7 marks, right? Are you observing or not? Here it is wide
Yes,
sense
sir.
stationary. He asked for 7 marks. The same set, he asked for 2 marks. Sorry, 3 marks. Here. Wide sense stationary, he asked for 3 marks here. What I mean was, the same answer will be, you have to write for the both questions. Both questions. Okay. Completely theory questions you asked in fourth set. You already discussed nth order stationary and sixth sense stationary. Wide sense stationary, we have to, here it is, define cross correlation function and its properties. Right? This same question asked in second set also. Second set, the same question was asked. I will share the material. If you observe all these questions, directly these questions with problems also will be in the notes. Why I am always stress on this unit was this is very easy unit and theory questions, mostly theory questions will be asked. Okay. If any doubts regarding the up to these topics, you can ask me. ఎవరికి డౌట్స్ లేవు